Good morning, students. Welcome back to social class. Children, in the last class, we have revised the first lesson in history. Today, we are going to revise the second lesson in history. The topic is human evolution. In this lesson, we have learnt about the origin of humans, different stages of human evolution from nomadic, hunting, and food gathering to settled life. See, children, in the beginning, man led a nomadic life and he engaged in hunting and food gathering. And after doing agriculture, he came to a settled life. He started to settle in one place. Then we have learnt about the stone implements of the prehistoric humans. How did he make stone tools and weapons with the help of flint stones? Then we have learnt about the discovery of fire and wheel. And we came to know the discovery of wheel made pot making easy. And then we learnt about the importance of rock paintings of the ancient humans. Children, now we are going to revise some book bag exercises. At first, we are going to revise fill in the blanks. Children, see the first question. Dash unearthed the footprints of humans in Tanzania. What is the answer? Yes, very correct. Anthropologist. Anthropologists unearthed the footprints of humans in Tanzania. Come to the next question, children. Rock paintings are found at Dash in Nilgiris. What is the answer? Karaikayur. Rock paintings are found at Karaikayur in Nilgiris. Okay, children, come to the next question. Dash is the study of humans and evolutionary history. What is the answer? Yes, anthropology. Anthropology is a study of humans and evolutionary history. Okay, come to the fourth question. Migration of man of different parts of the world resulted in changes of dash and dash. Children, think and tell what is the correct answer. Physique and color. Yes. Migration of man of different parts of the world resulted in changes of physique and color. Come to the fifth question. The invention of dash made farming easier. Children, tell what is the answer. Yes, plow. The invention of plow made farming easier. See the sixth question. There were many dangers involved in dash. What is the answer? Yes, hunting. There were many dangers involved in hunting. Children, it is not easy to do hunting for the early man. Many dangers involved in hunting. Seventh question. The pots were dashed to make it stronger. The pots were? Yes, burnt to make it stronger. The pots were burnt to make it stronger. Come to the eighth question. Dash is a machine capable of taking a person backward or forward in time. What does the answer think? Think and tell. Yes, time machine. Time machine is a machine capable of taking a person backward or forward in time. Come to the ninth question. Millions of years ago, our ancestors led a dash life. Yes, nomadic. They were wandering from place to place. Millions of years ago, our ancestors led a nomadic life. Come to the 10th question. Barter system means dash. What is the answer? Yes, exchange of goods. Barter system means exchange of goods. In olden days, before the invention of money, people used to exchange the goods for goods, which is known as barter system. Answers for fill in the blanks. Next, we are going to revise. Choose the correct answer. First one, these people had a big toe to hold tightly and less protruding face. See the options. Homo sapiens, Homo habilis, Neanderthal, Homo erectus. What is the correct answer? Yes, Homo habilis. See the second one. The main occupation of humans in the past was. See the options: fishing, hunting, pot making, trade. What is the correct answer? Yes, hunting. Hunting was the main occupations of humans in the past. Come to the third question. Evidences of this man is seen in Germany. See the options: Neanderthal, Homo erectus, Homo habilis, Cro-Magnon's man. What is the correct answer? Yes, Neanderthal. The correct answer? Yes, Neanderthal. Come to the fourth one. Humans with the help of flint stones made dash. See the options: sharp weapons, vessels, carts, boats. What is the correct answer? Yes, sharp weapons. Come to the fifth question. The land close to the riverside was suitable for dash. Fishing, farming, hunting, food gathering. Which is the correct answer? Yes, it is suitable for farming. Come to the sixth one. Dash was used by early man to protect them from predators. See the options: fire, stone tools, axes, sharp weapons. What is the correct answer? Yes, fire was used by early man to protect them from predators. What is the meaning of predator? Animal that hunts and kills other living things for food. Okay, children, come to the next question. Dash was a Java man who lived approximately 1.8 million years ago. See the options: Homo erectus, Homo habilis, Homo sapiens, Cro-Magnon's man. Which is the correct answer? Yes, Homo erectus. Come to the last choose. Dash had a mix of human and ape traits with bipedal walk. See the options: Australopithecus, Homo habilis, Homo sapiens, Homo erectus. Which is the correct answer? Yes, Australopithecus. Australopithecus had a mix of human and ape traits with bipedal walk. Answers for choose the correct answer. Now coming to short answers, it is a 2-mark question. Why did humans move from place to place? Humans moved from place to place in search of food. Why did the early man move from place to place? He moved from place to place in search of food. Come to the second question. What is evolution? Evolution is the process in which humankind changes and develops into an advanced stage of life. What is evolution? Children, keep it in mind. Human evolution is a gradual and slow process. Is a process in which humankind changes and develops into an advanced stage of life. What is evolution? I'll repeat again. Evolution is a process in which humankind changes and develops into an advanced stage of life. That is the present man. See the third question. Why were axes made? The axes were made to cut trees, remove barks, dig pits, hunt animals, and remove the skin of animals. Children, why did the early man make axe? He made axes to cut trees, remove barks, dig pits, hunt animals, and remove the skin of animals. Come to the fourth question. When did humans settle in one place? See the answer. When man began to practice agriculture, life became an organized one. It made the humans settle in one place. Children, when did the early men settle in one place? See the answer. Yes, when man began to practice agriculture, life became an organized one. It made the humans settle in one place. Come to the fifth question. Describe the ancient methods of hunting. See the first point. Go as a group and hunt the prey. See the second one. Dig a pit and trap the animals and hunt. See children, these are the two ancient methods of hunting. What is the first method? They go as a group and hunt the prey. What is prey? An animal that is hunted and killed by another for food. See the second point. Dig a pit and trap the animals and hunt. Now see the sixth question. Write any two characteristics of Homo sapiens. See the first point. Homo sapiens had the appearance of man. See the second one. They made crude stone implements and engaged in hunting and food gathering. See children, Homo sapiens lived before the present man, that is the Cro-Magnon's man. See the first point. Homo sapiens had the appearance of man. He looked like a man. Second point, they made crude stone implements and engaged in hunting and food gathering. They made crude stone implements and engaged in hunting and food gathering. They made sharp stone implements and they engaged in hunting and food gathering. These are the two characteristics of Homo sapiens. Come to the seventh question. How would you define archaeology? Archaeology is a study of prehistoric humans' remained materials. Children, how would you define archaeology? Archaeology is a study of prehistoric humans' remained material. In archaeology, they will study about the prehistoric humans' remained materials. Come to the last short answer. What do you know about anthropology? Anthropology is a study of humans and evolutionary history. In anthropology, they will study about the humans and how did human evolution took place. What is anthropology? Again, anthropology is a study of humans and evolutionary history. Children, revise all the one words and short answers and write and see. Prepare well for the exam. Thank you, children.